another lower high created, sorry. Okay, so right here we also have another build up liquidity, inducement and break of structure. And look at this, we have build up liquidity right there. Okay, at that point market was already here. So I'll be explaining a trade breakdown on this trade I took on BTC. Okay, I'm a scalper and I don't go above the 1 hour for my higher time frame analysis. Okay, so I mark my market structures. If you don't know how to mark market structures the way I do or properly mark it, you can watch my videos on market structure. So this is my previous high and low, previous high, previous low, and then previous high. So at the time the price was after Asia, okay, right around here. Let me do this so you can see my cursor. Okay, at the time the price was around here. So what did I do? I go on my 5 minute time frame. I go on my 5 minutes, so that's my medium time frame. Okay, and then price was already here on the 1 hour reacting from this point of interest right there. Okay, so we had a strong high here. Okay, inducement, break of structure, and then another lower high created, sorry. Okay, so right here we also have another build up liquidity, inducement and break of structure. And look at this, we have build up liquidity right there. Okay, at that point market was already here. Market was already here. So I was like, okay, since this has already given us a what's it called, a strong high, and then we already have the sell side, buy side, sorry, sell side liquidity taken out. The next target is going to be the buy side liquidity, right? And looking from the 1 hour, since we already took this structural liquidity here, okay, let me expand this so you can see clearly. So since we already took this structural liquidity here, that's this previous high. This is structural liquidity. We already took it. So obviously the next target is going to be to come take the buy side liquidity, right? Which is just low. Okay, so I figured that we're going to be very. That is how I just find my buyers easily. No hard feelings, no stress. Then next, considering this on the lower time frame, on the medium time frame, we already have a build up liquidity, which is our next target. The first buy side, the sell side liquidity has been taken, so the next target is going to be the buy side liquidity. So I put my entry here, and then my stop loss at this strong high, and then to target the sell side, the buy side liquidity. Sorry. So I still went ahead and keep my take profit right there because we have an imbalance. Okay, so most likely price is going to take all this buy side liquidity and then react from an imbalance, and before it reacts, most likely right now I believe our price is going to take this high because we've taken buy side liquidity already. So the next target is sell side liquidity. If you start thinking like that, just thinking in logical reasoning with liquidity, trading becomes much more easier. Okay, just avoid all the noises and just focus on liquidity. Seriously, you get better. Okay, so that will be all. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section. See you in the next one, guys.